types of dunks. 1. Air Jordan. 2. LeBron. 3. Reversible Air Jordan backwards. 4. Blake Griffin. And 5. I spit on 5. This is Air Jordan.
Air Jordan's in one hand, Luke, remember? I can hardly see you.
This next one is Blake Griffin. I'm going to start on the... Blake Griffin dunks from far away. He gets space. Start from the middle. That was a Blake Griffin. Next is the reversible Air Jordan. Backwards. I've been practicing for this one.